I didn't see you there. Hey, we're wrapping the DarkYota's Tacoma. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Lucid Wraps here in the greater Denver area. Jake is applying the new camo wrap to the truck, getting it ready for SEMA. This is just one more of those pieces to the puzzle to get it done before we take it to Las Vegas for SEMA 2023. Cool thing about this wrap is it's actually a one-of-one. So Jake and I work pretty closely together. He's the only one that wraps the truck, but he's got a designer named Alexis that helps him do these one-off things like this wrap. So it's technically the new DarkYota exclusive wrap, but it's going to be available through my website and through Jake as well. And those are the only two places you're going to be able to purchase this new vinyl. Jake is going to show us kind of the ins and outs of how he gets the vinyl to look the way it does and how perfect it gets, because I've never seen somebody wrap this well, and that's why he's the only one that wraps the truck. But I'll get a little close-up of the design. There are little mountains in it from my logo, kind of hidden. You have to find them because they kind of match the colorway of the camo. So check it out. What's up, guys? I'm Jake with Lucid Wraps. Today I am still prepping / wrapping. Always prepping the panel no matter what, even right before I stick the panel. Right now I'm gonna jump on these two doors. Right now I am clay barring it, even though there was a wrap on it before. Dirt still gets embedded in the paint and stuff that you can't see, especially down here where the rocker is, where dirt and stuff likes to stick. I can even feel some still on there. So I'm just gonna clay bar it right now and then alcohol wipe it and start lining it up. I just got done clay barring it, so now I'm gonna alcohol wipe it down and then start sticking. So we got a mountain on the door here. Where else? That's it. That's it for that panel. And we're back. All right, got the doors done. This is day 2. I wrapped the other fender, gonna jump on this fender right now. And then it's just the little things, putting the door handles back together. Let's see what else. I've got some little black trim that I wanna put on around the gas tank, on top of the side beds, and wrapping these in the camo. Just little things here and there, but most of the big stuff is done. So now Jake's got all of the camo pretty much done. He's adding some little details like some textured black here and up top on the bed sides here. Just little things that make the wrap a little more unique. But let's pull it out into the sun so you guys can actually see how it pops. All right, there you guys have it. Here is the new camo. You saw it in the sun a little bit. It's almost like color changing. So in certain lights and certain angles, the truck just looks straight up gloss black. But then you go to a different angle with a different light and you can really see the camo. Like the sun's setting right now, so when the sun's all the way up, it's really gonna pop. So if you guys would like to order some of this material, comment down below, send me an email to josh@thedarkyota.com, or you can go to my website, TheDarkYota.com. It will be on there very soon. We're going to be doing a pre-order run that'll be discounted, and then you're also able to get it from Jake at Lucid Wraps, and he will actually be doing installs here as well. Hope you liked the video. Just kind of wanted to debut the new camo that is DarkYota camo now. If you liked it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, peace.